Welcome, and thank you for choosing the Aki Cart point-of-sale system. In this video, we'll guide you through the unboxing and first-time hardware setup of your CCL POS terminal and accessories. Let's get started. POS unboxing and power setup. What's included? Inside the box, you'll find the dual-facing CCL POS terminal, power cable and adapter, and a user manual. Setup. Connect the power cable to the adapter, locate the side panel, and gently remove it to access the ports. Take the power adapter and identify the flat end of the connector. Plug it into the correct power port. As highlighted, connect the other end to a wall outlet. Press and hold the power button to turn on the POS. Cash drawer setup. What's included? Cash drawer, connecting cable, and keys. Setup. Plug one end of the cable into the back of the cash drawer. Connect the other end to the designated cash drawer port on the POS. Keep the keys in a safe place. Place the cash drawer under the counter or preferred location. Receipt printer setup. What's included? Receipt printer, user manual, power cable and adapter, USB cable, and extra receipt paper. Setup. Place the printer near the POS. Connect the power cable to the adapter and plug it into the printer. Plug the adapter into a wall outlet. Connect the USB cable to the printer and the POS. Scanner setup. What's included? Wireless scanner, charging base, and USB cable. Setup. Place the charging base near the POS. Connect the USB cable from the POS to the charging base. Place the scanner in the base to charge and power on. Your POS and accessories are now successfully connected and ready for use.